Let's make paper weaving crafts. We will need a pencil, a ruler, scissors, and some different colored paper. First, fold the paper in half. I chose a black piece of paper. Draw a line on the open edge of the paper that is about 1 inch away from the end with a pencil. This is your boundary line. Draw some lines starting from the folded edge of the boundary line. Try drawing some interesting lines such as straight, wavy, zigzag, and diagonal lines. Cut the lines from the folded edge all the way to your boundary line. Make sure not to go over the boundary line. Once you have done this, open it up. Make lots of simple strips of paper from the other pieces of paper. It has to be about 1 inch wide. You can also use wrapping paper, newspaper, or magazines for variety. Then weave the black paper with these paper strips. One strip should go over the paper and next should go under the paper. Once you have woven the first strip, weave your second one directly below the first one. Make sure to start with the opposite way that you did with the first one. This means that if the first strip starts from the top, then the second strip should start from the bottom. Continue weaving until it's completed. Great! This art can be in any shape and color. Cut off the unnecessary strips from the shape of the paper with scissors. It is such a fun art to display. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!